to have both of you here.
Thank you. We're happy to be here.
Thank you so much. I'm gonna start with the beautiful lady. And
Please do. Please, please.
just tell us more about your character in A, B, C, D.
So you just saw the promo.
The trailer.
And we both of us are actors who are playing professional dancers for the first time. We play characters who are inspired by real life characters, real dancers who come from Nala Supara in Mumbai and have these big dreams of being a part of the World Hip Hop Dance Championship in Vegas. My character is Vinny. I'm a hairstylist by profession, and I've always loved to dance. And I'm Suresh. He's Suresh, so I'm his childhood friend. And he's started our group, our dance group. So we are very passionate about it. And Suri, you want to tell them about our dance group?
So basically, like she said, I also am a waiter as well, and that's why I'm having this over here, because in my breaks, that's what I do. I have cold coffee. But it's an incredibly passionate film. It's about dancing. It's in 3D, and I think that's a dancing film is one film which cuts across any language, any religion, any country. So I think anyone and everyone in any part of the world can watch ABCD2 and understand it, because it speaks the language of dance.
डांस का हर एक स्टेप अब पूरा करेगा मेरी माँ का सपना.
Absolutely, you were amazing. We saw the trailers and the dancing moves and stuff. How did you manage to do all this?
We had to really train a lot.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there was a lot of sweating, a lot of injuries.
How many kilos did you lose?
Good question.
Very good question. This
Very
is actually
good
a
question.
very good question.
I've actually always been thin.
No.
But I became
That's
thinner.
She would have little baby fat here, there, little on the cheeks. But after this
Now
film,
I've become
everything is gone.
But a lot of rehearsals we
Yeah.
had. They were great. They were a lot of fun. We had to do a lot of hard work in terms of to match the other dancers who we're dancing with, because they're phenomenal, you know. So hopefully people will appreciate our efforts.
And pretty much we've done like 20 dance forms. Which is your favorite dance form?
My favorite dance form?
Yeah.
Belly dance.
Belly dancing?
Oh.
So there's done a little bit of that also.
I've tried to do
It's very
bit of
difficult.
belly dancing.
What people don't know about belly dancing, I must tell you, it's exactly. And you need to have a lot of core strength to manage to do belly dancing. She would have shown you, but she's in this dress. She can't.
वेगस में सबसे बड़ा हिप हॉप कंपटीशन होने वाला है.
Should I tell him or show him?
How did you feel? How was your feeling when Remo offered you the role in the film?
It was a bit overwhelming, because the way he offered me was by showing me this clip. He showed me this clip of the World Hip Hop Championship. So there's a bunch of teams, including India, teams from different parts of the world competing and showing different dance forms. And I was just like, wow, oh, he did that. Oh, he did that. It was like that, almost like that. It was amazing. And eventually when we made our own team, initially I thought that, oh God, this team doesn't look like they can win any championship, because when we just started off, we were all still getting to know each other. Dancing with each other is difficult, but eventually I think we all bonded and we did become a team. And I think when you're a team and you honestly put your heart to something, you can overcome any obstacle.
Guys, get ready for Vegas.
Shraddha, tell me your experience with working with the most talented dancer, not only in Hindi and in India, and the whole entire world.
You're talking about me? No, but she's working with me.
Prabhu sir?
Prabhu sir.
Prabhu.
I thought you meant me.
Right over here, Prabhu.
This
Deva
man.
is.
He doesn't.
The moves actually
his
were
face.
taught to us by our directors, dancers. They are the ones who've choreographed, our songs. Sun Satya I learned it from Kruti. And
A beautiful voice, no?
Yeah, you should make a sing.
I try to sing also, but
I want to hear a small song from her.
but
We will
so Remo sir, who is our director, he's everyone knows he's a choreographer, and then he started directing films. He made the first ABCD. Now he's making the second ABCD2 with us and the dancers who are the real stars of the film. So was amazing. We did 18 to 20 dance forms. 18 to 20 dance forms.
Yeah.
There's crumping, house, lyrical hip hop. So we got to do all of these. Yeah.
So did you guys both had faced any problems during shooting this film?
A lot of injuries, in fact, the first song I shot for Bezua Phir Se, there's a part where I jump off the back of two boys and I land on them and then they flip me. So I had a bad shoulder injury and I was like fully taped and I was dancing with the tape. And not only me, but I think every dancer in the film, somewhere or the other, has been injured. She's had an injury. There's this boy called Sumit who's in the film who had a full ligament tear actually, and he could not complete the film because of that, because of the injury. So it's not easy stuff what we've done. One of the actors with us. In fact, Bezuba Phir Se was very difficult because the whole surface was filled with water. So many times we would like try to walk towards each other and just slip and fall down and stuff. So it was funny.
Do all this move by yourself?
Oh, yeah, no body double.
Yes. No, no.
No body double.
Yeah, great. Okay, so with all this love from the Middle East and UAE and Bollywood, what would you say to your lovely Arabic fans?
I think the best way for Shraddha to answer is this: to sing a song for her lovely Arabic fans, for all us, and this for me as well.
I
Me
would
too.
love to do that for all the love that we get from the absolutely from the Middle East. We get so much love, and on our Twitter
Incredible.
accounts, the messages that I get on Twitter, they're very heartwarming. So we get a lot of love from here, from the Middle East, and I love coming back here. So a little something for you guys. Here goes. It's Sun Satya from our film. Priya has sung it really well. So here goes. हाँ सुन साथिया माहिया बरसाते शिका की स्याहिया रंग जाऊं रे हारी मैं तुझ पे मैं झर जाऊं हारी. I'll stop there, otherwise I'll go on and on.
Outstanding.
And the lyrics are really, really beautiful.
And this is honestly for everyone. I mean, seeing, sitting in Pakistan and watching this, Sri Lanka, anywhere in Asia, anywhere in Middle East, UAE. It's for all you guys. Honestly,
All
I've
you guys.
trained her for years, and that's why she can do this on television. But thank you.
We all love you. We all love India.
अगर कोई म्यूजिक फील कर सकता है, then anybody can dance.